$0 copays on primary care doctor visits and lab tests. Plus $0 copays on virtual visits.
Just at the car wash.
It's time to take advantage.
I got the Super Max, the $12 one. It's gonna give me the For the Rain and the shiny coating. Make it shiny. I don't know. Otherwise, I could have got the $10 one. Some people say you don't get the underbody done. You could do the underbody though. I think the underbody is okay. I mean, there's still stuff underneath there that should stop it from going into things, I guess. I don't know. Car was dirty, so I thought I'd give it a wash.
Improve fuel economy with diesel fuel supplement plus cetane boost injector cleaner and performance improver. An 80-ounce jug now $11.99. And make sure you have the right fuel can for the job. Right now, 5-gallon cans for gas, kerosene, or diesel fuel. Your choice, $13.99.
$12.
This great doorbuster value.
I could have got no. I could have said no to the Rain-X and the Super Lava, Volcano Lava, and saved $2. But sometimes you get a discount if you buy gas, but it's not free. So there was a time when you get a free car wash when you filled up your car. I don't know. Do you guys turn off your cars when you get a car wash, or do you leave the engine on? I turned off the engine. I figured it'd be okay. Keep the windows shut, right? Nobody wants to get a wash. There's the KFC though. Straight ahead, it's the KFC. People like that KFC. I finally got him to get a receipt because I complained. I said, they don't ever give you a receipt. They always tell you the receipt machine is broken. I said, that's correct. The receipt machine shouldn't be broken. I said my Wi-Fi was working now, so I figured I'd try to record this video for you. We're getting at the car wash. I know somebody that works at a car wash. This is one of those car washes in the gas station, though. I wouldn't want somebody to come in my car unless I had no stuff on the floor. Then, you know, I could say, okay, vacuum it and stuff, but, you know, working at the car wash, yeah. Hosing and scrubbing as fast as they can. I'm confusing two songs. Me and Billy want to have a little fun before I die. Working at the car wash, yeah. Hosing and scrubbing as fast as they can and skirting. Working at the car wash. Like that guy says, you know, I think he's gonna die of dehydration. Mr. Burns. And that manatee. Working at the car wash, yeah. Working at the car wash.
In Brookfield.
I don't have the car wash CD. It'd be kind of funny if I did. You never know who you're gonna meet at the car wash. Might be somebody famous. Boss don't mind if you act a fool. I got 2 miles till he makes bail. He ain't seen me crazy yet. He shook me like a rag doll. Doesn't that sound like a real man? Gunpowder and